Hello again. So let's have a look to see what we can do with our Microsoft SQL Server installation in ClusterControl. Now, as you can see, we could just do deploy a cluster and we could choose SQL Server here. Okay, no problem. All we need to do is something a little bit more interesting than that. Let's play around with our current existing system here. So you can see on the left-hand side, you've got clusters, the list of the clusters here. We've got one operational node, which is the Prometheus node, so therefore that doesn't really count because it's not very SQL Server, is it now? We could try and reboot the host there and see what everything, because these three nodes, it's not a perfect picture, it's offline. So therefore, let's have a go at rebooting this host here, shall we? The job's been created. This may take some time. We can go to our activity center, have a look at the jobs. Okay. And you can see there's a lot of things here waiting. So when it gets round to doing that, we'll be able to see how well that is running. One thing we can also look at here is on the top bar here is say we can disable the cluster recovery, change backup settings, or as we've just said, we just want deleted one of the, sorry, we just brought online one of the nodes, but we could also add a new node. How do we add a node in a SQL Server? Well, it's very similar to the rest of the environments, okay? The port is default, then we install the software, we can disable the firewall, disable the SE Linux and AppArmor. Because this is SQL Server, we're looking at fully qualified domain naming system here, so therefore IP addresses won't work, okay? So therefore, we're going to have to say something like my host 01. Go in there. It doesn't matter about the spelling because that node doesn't exist and I wasn't going to make this work anyway. But it's just an example to say how we would do that. Continue would let us go to the preview page and say, this is all the data you've entered. Is that okay? And let's go for it. So there you have it, as simple as that, how to add a node to your SQL Server on Linux cluster, always on cluster, should I say. Thank you for watching.